Petrol stations. This service will assist you in finding suitable places to refill your car. Open your navigation. Press the search icon. Then select the petrol stations icon and select petrol station nearby. Now you can see the petrol stations in your area. If further details are available, such as the fuel prices and opening hours, you can view them by pressing More. You can now call the displayed phone number, save the petrol station, or start navigating to the selected petrol station. You can also search for petrol stations on the way to or in your selected destination. Choose your desired destination. Then press the search icon again and select the petrol stations icon and petrol stations and route. Now you can select if you want to display the petrol stations on the way or in your destination.